Everyone, namaste. I hope you guys are doing fine, and if not, you'll be okay. So, I'm gonna start this video with a rant. Like, this whole video is actually a rant about something, but this is a personal rant. I have tried every place in my house where I can put my phone and place my phone and record a video in peace, but I still can't find it. If I find a place where I can put my video, like phone properly, there's some noise in the background. If I find a place where there's no noise in the background, there's no place to put the camera. I'm so done. Okay. Now, coming to the topic. Today's video is related to something that I recently watched on the internet. It was on a social media platform. This person had put up a video talking about the symptoms of bad mental health. More like that person was talking about certain criterias that if you meet these criterias, it's a sign that you might have an unhealthy mind. As a psychology student, I found that to be very, very disturbing, and I found it to be very, very, misleading. It got me really worried, so I had to post this video over that one particular thing. So, the field of psychology and the field of psychiatry, that is the medical science of mental disorders and mental illnesses, both of these streams, psychology and psychiatry, are very, very broad and depth fields in themselves. The professionals in these streams have to study years, they have to do researches, they have to study researches, and there are huge manuals and digests that they need to be thorough with in order to diagnose anyone, such as the DSM and the ICD for psychology and psychiatry respectively. People talking about symptoms and people talking about mental health issues, see, we all know that internet and social media has been a boon to our generation in lots and lots of ways, and one of the aspect of that is that we are all becoming more and more aware of mental illnesses, and people are woke about it now. But then again, it has lots and lots of cons over it as well. I want you guys to know this video is solely with the purpose. It's not related to a person. It's not related to, disrespecting anyone. This video is solely with the motive that you need to be sure what you're talking about or what you're writing about, because when you preach something on internet or when you teach someone, it is very easy for people to misjudge what you're trying to say. And false information is way worse than no information at all. We all know that curiosity is the first step towards learning, and the more you fuel people's curiosity, the better it gets. Electricity is back. Okay, I'm so happy. Sorry. So my point being, the more we fuel the curiosity of people, the better results that we get. But then it is very important to know the source from where you are learning things. There are n numbers of sites talking about this particular disorder, that particular disorder, these and that illnesses, but it is not really reliable. Even when I see it would be very hypocritical of me if I come here and talk to you about this when I'm the one who is having a channel mental illness. But whenever I talk about any kind of disorders, or whenever I give you solutions, I do my study. I refer my notes 10 times. My notes come from professionals, the professors who have given years of their life in the field of psychology. They're still learning and they're teaching us. I always refer to my notes. I study from the courses that are there on different sites. They come from particular universities around the world. And when I give you solutions, I tell you what my therapist tries to tell me as a solution, and if I think you guys can relate, I come and share it with you. So I do not talk or I do not say anything which is not reliable or which is just coming from some random internet site. It's very important for you to know what you are learning, and more important for you to know what you are trying to teach and who you are trying to teach. In all of my videos, I always tell, do not self-diagnose yourself. So this is all for today. I hope I have conveyed my message to you all. So it is very important to be aware, but then it is very important to know your source. It is very important to not know the medium from where your education is coming from. Spreading awareness and educating people are two very different things. So that's all for today. Until next time, stay strong, people. See you soon. Bye bye.